A veteran and very known actor Avinash Yalandur is joining us here on BT Golf. Sir, many thanks for joining us here in Bengaluru at the Karnataka Golf Club. You tried your hand at a couple of shots also from here, from BT Golf's clinic, where a lot of amateur golfers come and they try their hand at it, try to learn. What's your first-hand experience of this so far?
I mean, it's pretty addictive, that much I can tell you. I mean, I just started with one. I thought I would never play. Then I hit one ball, and I didn't hit the ball properly, so I thought probably, I should do it again. I think after 4 or 5 shots, it became addictive. I mean, it's a beautiful place. It's an amazing place. And I think Sagai Raj chose me because he saw me a photo playing golf. Actually, unfortunately, that was a film shot that he had. And I've tried this golf in my film shootings, and it has been pretty tough. But I really enjoy this place. I mean, it's it's a beautiful game. I've always followed this game. I know Tiger Woods, all those people have followed, and I do watch sometimes, but I've never really tried my hand in the game. And today is actually the first day where I really tried.
Do you want to consider doing this regularly and like professionally maybe?
My brother plays. He lives in UK.
Okay.
He plays a lot of golf. That's his pastime actually. So he keeps telling me, but I never really. I mean, I thought it's not a very fascinating game, frankly. But once I start playing, for the person who's playing, it can be very addictive. I don't know about the people who watch, but for the person who's playing the game, it can be really addictive. And it's really fun. I mean, playing. I enjoyed it. I wish I could play. I think maybe I may. I'm not sure, but I may play.
We look forward to having you in the next one then, along with the other golfers as well. But sir, since you said you observed Tiger Woods and your brother plays the game, you've tried this in a film as well, and you said it was addictive now. What do you think golf really, the parallels that you can draw in real life, in acting and a whole lot of other facets?
Yeah, I mean, it's all about focus. It's most important thing is you focus. I was playing this ball. Only when I really focused on the ball and the golf stick, I could hit the ball. So it's all about focus. In cinema also, once the camera is on, how focused you are about speaking your lines or performing, and it's concentration and focus anywhere you go, whatever subject. Either it's like maybe if a really professional like Tiger Woods or some really big professional guys, it's dedication, it's focus, it's concentration, determination. I think it's the same everywhere, whether you are in business, whether you are in cinema, whether you are in game, sports, anywhere. It's all about that. And it's also about fitness.
Your mantra when you were pursuing your films actively, what was that one mantra that you stuck to that really kept you hooked on and kept you going on, motivated and more dedicated that you would draw from this sport?
It's about passion. The passion for my acting. I mean, that's what drove me, and I think I finished about 39 years in the industry, almost 40 years, and I'm still doing. So it's all about passion. Sports is all about passion.
You play cricket, right? And was that helping here with the posture and maybe the kind of strength you need?
Definitely, yes. See, the strokes are similar. I mean, whether it's an on drive or an off drive, or maybe you don't have square cuts here because you have to do it straight. But I know yeah. I mean, the confidence, you have a little more confidence than others because you have played cricket. You have hit the ball before, maybe a little bigger ball with a bigger, bat, whatever it is. But still, it's the body language, the focus. And you're hitting the ball all the time. Cricket is also about hitting the ball. But where you hit the ball, because I think golf is all about, it's also about
particular aim, right?
Aim, and it's also, I feel like, when you really hit the ball into the hole, I don't know what they call it. But, okay. I mean, you really have to calculate. I've seen, the professional golf players at the top level, You know, you hit it in a curve, like, you know, it goes and then comes back. So it's a lot of calculation. It's also about mathematics, science, yeah, statistics, and it requires a lot of intelligence. Yeah, I mean, it's not a simple game. It is not as simple as it looks. It's a very, very tough game. No
So,
wonder they have
hope-
played so well.
Hopefully you continue to do this, and maybe in a couple of years, maybe on the 27th year of BT Golf, we are able to see you swing like a pro. But it's been this is the 26th year, and this is the third edition of BT Golf. Just a small message for the viewers and the golfers here.
I mean, it's a great game. Pursue it. It's not just a great game for playing the game. It's also for your mind, everything. I mean, I would love to play. Maybe. I hope to meet you next year.
Yes.
Probably a year or two. Playing golf with you. Maybe a little bit professionally. May not be completely. But let me try.
For sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.